In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to recover Outlook password without phone number and email. If you're locked out and can't access your old phone or backup email, don't worry, there's still a path forward using Microsoft's account recovery process. First, head to the official Microsoft account recovery page. You can search for Microsoft Account Password Reset or go directly to the Reset portal. When asked how you want to receive a code, choose the option that says you don't have access to these verification methods. This tells Microsoft you need to prove ownership another way. Next, you'll see a detailed recovery form. Fill it out carefully and thoroughly. The goal is to provide enough clues that only the real account owner would know. Include old passwords you remember, approximate dates you used them, recent contacts you frequently email, and any connected services such as Skype or Xbox. Details about recent activity help too: subjects of emails you sent lately, names of folders you created, or billing information associated with your Microsoft purchases. Only share what the form asks for, and make sure it's accurate and consistent. You'll also be asked for a working email address where Microsoft can contact you. Use one you can access right now. This is how you'll receive updates and, hopefully, the approval. After you submit, Microsoft typically reviews your request within about 24 hours, though it can take a bit longer. Keep an eye on your inbox and your spam folder, just in case. If your first attempt is denied, don't panic. Go back, refine your answers, and add more specifics. Think of additional folder names, exact subjects of recent emails, or accurate dates of purchases. Avoid submitting multiple forms in quick succession. Instead, take time to gather better details before resubmitting. Once your recovery is approved, you'll be prompted to create a new password. Make it strong and unique. Use a long passphrase you haven't used anywhere else. After you're back in, immediately update your security info. Add a current phone number and a backup email you control, and review your security settings so you're ready if you ever need to recover again. That's it. Thanks for watching.